Hello everybody, welcome back to Kantan Food by Satoshi. It's holiday season. Are you having a good time? Did you buy advent calendar? In Japan, advent calendar is still not so popular. It's becoming popular. This year, a very good friend, Peter Steinkelner, sent us a variety of advent calendar. I want to introduce one of them. Then this one. It's not a calendar, but inside there are 24 types of something. This one is, the brand is Anchor Cloud. I heard it's a spice company. Thank you very much, Peter. I will cook something using these spices. So what is the first one? Let's open. Here's a little opening. Let's open. Many small bags inside. Okay, what is the bottom one? What is the bottom one? Then, what is this? This is Eintopf Gewurz. I don't know if it's correct or not. Let's open this pack. So open. So how's the inside? I googled it. It's a soup spice. So it must be good for soup. Let me taste it. It's like inside there are some kind of vegetables. Red thing is some kind of vegetable, I think. So let's taste it. I'm sorry. Eintopf means stew. So stew spice. I see. Maybe it become instant soup. Shall I pour hot water a little bit? Put a little bit inside of this cup. I don't know how much. Okay, like this. Then pour hot water a little bit. Then mix it. Smells nice, really good. Many vegetable aroma and peppery, little bit peppery. Okay, let me taste it. Wow, and variety of herbs. It's good. Okay, tonight I want to use this stew spice for Japanese cooking. Let me think, what shall I use for? So what I use this Eintopf Gewurz is Nikujaga. Yes, Nikujaga, the Japanese stew, but I don't use soy sauce today. Only this one. So the ingredients of Nikujaga is using these ingredients. Carrot, this one is too big, half is enough. And 2 or 3 potatoes and 1 onion. Shirataki konjac noodles, but today I'm using a little bit different one, little bit thicker one. It's okay, it's really up to you. Please use regular shirataki. And sliced beef, thinly sliced beef. I'm using 150 grams. So this is Nikujaga meat and potato stew. So first I'm gonna prepare potato. I already removed the bad part and cut. Ooh, inside there is not good part, not good part inside. Remove it. I see. I bought a cheap potato. This one was very cheap. Okay, and cut randomly like this. No fuss, no muss. Cut into bite-sized pieces like this. No fuss, no muss. If you don't like skin, please peel before you cut. Okay, set aside. Then carrot. I said half is enough for this one. And cut into bite-sized pieces. Like this. If you cut into too big, it will take long time to simmer. Okay. And onion. Cut into wedge type. Like this. Okay. Wedge type. Okay, I will cook. So regularly I use pot, but today to show how to cook, I'm gonna be using frying pan. Heat frying pan. First I'm gonna be cooking beef. Put in your frying pan and stir fry until no more pink. Then place vegetables. Put vegetables and saute lightly. You don't have to cook completely at this point. Just coat with oil. Okay, it is coated with oil. Then pour 2 cups of water. This one. This is today's seasoning. Eintopf Gewurz. Please forgive me the bad pronunciation. I don't know the exact amount of this seasonings. I put 1.5 tablespoon first. I will adjust later. Then mix. Okay. And place shirataki noodles. Okay, all ingredients are in this pot. And now place aluminum foil. It is otoshibuta. This prevents from the ingredients swimming in this pot. Like this. And cook thoroughly all ingredients. Okay, I think it is ready. Turn off the heat and remove this aluminum foil. Looks yummy. Let's check potato. Poke with its stick. Okay, it go through very easily. It's done. First, I put 1.5 tablespoon of seasonings, but it was a little bit subtle, so I added 1 more teaspoon. Oh, no, sorry, 1 more tablespoon seasonings. So I used about 2.5 tablespoon, and I think it is good. Then put into your favorite bowl. Okay, it's done. Meat and potato, Nikujaga with Eintopf spice. So this is meat and potato Nikujaga with Eintopf spice, Gewurz. This cooking is kind of challenge for me. I'm gonna be challenging using another advent calendar spices. The first one is this one. I think it is good. いただきます。Meat and onion. Meat and onion. No. Onion. Meat first. Meat first. Regularly we use soy sauce, sake, mirin, sugar for nikujaga. So it is sweet, a little bit sweet. But today I only use this spice. How's this? 美味しい。This Eintopf spice matches with this beef meat. How's the onion? Also good. onion sweetness and these spices are very good friends. Carrot. This spice is really good. Potato. Nice. Very nice. This combination is really good. How does this cognac? Does this flavor go through to this cognac? Cognac. It's better than I imagined. Cognac. Yes, it's good combination. And the seasoning flavor go through to this cognac. New discovery. Today's challenge, success. So hope you guys enjoyed today's cooking. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let us know what you thought in the comment below. I hope you will have a very good holiday season. See you on next spice challenge. Bye bye.